Welcome back to Adventure and Repeat. It's glad to see you here. So today we're upgrading the under-seat storage on the back seat of my 2024 Chevy 2500 HD. So if you're like me and you like to carry a lot of stuff, just random stuff that you need throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the year, and you never take it out, this under-seat storage tends to be a little small or not enough altogether. So I got a new one. We're going to show you what it looks like to upgrade this to a bigger storage compartment, and I'm going to have a link in the description in case you want to grab one for yourself, and we'll show you what it looks like. To get this old tray out, you do got to take your jack handles off that, and then you got your two nuts right here to pull this assembly out, and then there's one more screw on the other side right there that need to come out to get this old one out. As you can see, the size difference between the two, between the factory one and this one, is just massive in size. And you also have the removable foam pieces for in case you want to secure your favorite baseball bat underneath your back seat, but it still holds all the same factory holes for all your same factory stuff, so you can put the factory jack pieces back in place. So the way this is secured, it's secured by the two jack bolts on the end, along with the jack handle bolts right there, or the tire nut wrench packet kit. Or you don't have to put anything in there at all, and just packing everything in there will keep it in place. What's really cool about this, it fits the same profile that you had before. When your seats come down, it fits the profile here really well, so there's nothing up in there. It's not pushing up on the seat. And down here at the floor mat level, it actually goes around the factory floor mat, so it's not pushing up on that or smashing these down. You don't have to cut or trim them, and it fits all the way around down the side. So it actually works out very nice for a lot of space right there. So with that, it's an easy way to install it. You create a lot more space, and I highly recommend it. So as you can see, it was a super easy install. It's nice heavy duty plastic, it's sturdy, and it works out great. So it fits in there very nice, so it makes it a very clean install for me, which is something I really look forward to when I do these. And sometimes when you look for links and things like that, you're not sure if it actually does fit. This shows it does fit. I'll make sure there's a link in the description in case you want to get your own, because you see that here, it works. You're not having to be the guinea pig. I've tested it for you as well. So other than that, nice and easy. Hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming on, and a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. Remember to have a great adventure.